2023 Person of the Year. This award is a testament to an individual's contribution and leadership in the highway construction industry in Pennsylvania. Tonight, I am pleased to introduce this year's recipient, Cheryl Moon-Sirianni. Okay, so I told Cheryl she now has to stand here while I talk about it. But it's most important to me. Cheryl began her career with PennDOT in 1987 when she was 12 years old. And half these people weren't born yet. As a civil engineer trainee in District 10. Then she moved on to District 11 as a contract management engineer. From there, she progressed through the organization as a senior project manager and assistant district executive for design. In 2017, Cheryl was promoted to district executive for District 11, where she remained until early 2023, when she was named Executive Deputy Secretary of PennDOT. She has recently retired from PennDOT at the end of last year. Now, when I reached out to contract, she's a great advocate for highway funding, especially in West Virginia. She always listened and reacted fairly with all stakeholders. She is one of the most knowledgeable PennDOT representatives in PA regarding policy and federal law. She supported safety, not only for PennDOT employees, but also for all employees working for contractors and consultants out on highway construction. She is a person of integrity, and her word is her bond. If she gave you her word on something, you could count on it. I like this one too. She worked contractor hours, not government employee hours. Sorry to all the government employees. You can contact her day or night, and she would have a timely response. She is a very smart woman who made her career in a very male-dominated industry that often made her job as a woman harder. Yet, you never heard her use that as an excuse. She just kept plowing ahead. And finally, and I have a couple of lists, there's a lot, but people want to go home eventually. Cheryl is a true professional in every sense of the word. As CAWP, we obviously got to work with Cheryl, so from our perspective, she was always great to work with. She was a true partner. She always took time to reach out and truly understand the issues. And we will miss her and her dedication to this industry. So, on behalf of the Constructors Association of Western Pennsylvania, all of our members, we would like to present Cheryl with the Highway Construction Industry 2023 CAWP Person of the Year Award for all your support of the highway construction industry throughout your time at PennDOT, and congratulations on your retirement.
Because I'm kind of from the other side of the fence, and being the owner of the government employee, it's very, very honorable and very humbling to be given this award. But I do want to say thank you to all of those contractors